Hey guys, so let's go ahead and jump right into the video. So today's video is sponsored by Toyotress.
You get a coin with that.
So thank you guys so much for sponsoring this video. I will leave their links down below in the description box. You can find them on Amazon. This is their Marley hair and I got it in the color 99J. They sent me 8 packs of hair. As you guys can see, there were 6 rolled up in there, and then they sent me an additional 2. So this is what it looks like. It is 18 inches. I did go ahead and cut mine in half because I wanted it to be shorter. So it feels great. It's just your traditional old Marley hair. Feels great, good quality. It did not have a scent when it came out of the pack, and because girl, first of all, I don't be soaking my thing in apple cider vinegar because I'm about to got time for that. Straight out the pack into my hair, okay? So I'm gonna be using beeswax to hold my hair. A lot of people use Shine and Jam. You can do that if you want to, but I prefer beeswax. It is more conditioning to your hair. So as you guys can see, these are basically like pre-separated strands for you, so you don't have to go in and try to tear it apart. It's already pre-separated for you. You can use each one of those for each twist, or if you wanted to add a piece of like more to it, it's already separated for you, so it's easier to separate. So I did just pull them apart just to give it a more I don't know what I'm trying to say, but just to give it a more like my texture kind of thing, help it to blend a little bit more. I didn't want it to be too stiff like that, you know what I'm saying? So I separated it, and then now I'm parting my hair off. So okay, so I did my hair in 2 methods because number one, I really wanted to do the knotless, but your girl is challenged, okay? So some of my hair is like I started braiding it and then I twisted it. So this one that I'm currently like prepping for, I'm putting beeswax on that, by the way. This one is going to be started off with a braid and then going down into a twist, and I'm going to show you guys how I do that. So I have the hair, just one strand of it, and my hair is acting as the middle strand to begin the braid. And I know my hand is blocking it, I'm so sorry, but this is literally the only good clip of me like braiding it and showing you. So just braid it like you normally would, using your hair as a 3rd strand. And then when you get ready to be twisted, you're going to take your hair and the Marley hair and just split it in between. And once you do that, you are going to twirl the hair and then twist it. So that helps it to lock into place and to give it that nice seamless look. And then I'm going to take my wide tooth comb and comb through the hair to get that all smooth, because just like your natural hair, you don't want to twist it if it's not all detangled and smooth. So I'm just basically detangling it. And that's actually why I ripped the hair apart when I strand apart. It helps me to kind of like get it a little bit more detangled. So just go ahead and twist all the way down, and I'm adding a little bit more beeswax as I go. And yeah, so right there, I didn't get to tuck my hair in properly, so I'm just taking a little beeswax and I'm rolling it, and that helps to blend my hair into the Marley hair. So if you're having trouble blending your hair, just try that and see. There we go, bam. So now we're gonna move on to the knotless twist, and let me tell you something, I literally just learned how to do this, okay? Like right before like doing my own hair, I went on YouTube. But you know, the crazy thing is I've been trying to do this for years. So here's what you need to do. You are going to twirl and intertwine the hair in the opposite direction that you want to twist your hair. So for me, this is the right side of my head that I'm doing right now. So for the right side of my hair, I twist going backwards. So I'm twirling and intertwining the hair forward. Now, both strands need to be twirled in the same direction. You need to intertwine them going the same direction. Then when you are ready to twist, that is when you go in the opposite direction. For me, I used to literally twirl and intertwine these things going in opposite directions, because every video or tutorial that I've watched said that you need to twist them and twirl them in the opposite direction and then start twisting it, and my stuff used to just slide right on off. So you need to twirl them and intertwine your hair and the Marley hair going the same direction, and then you twist it in the opposite direction. So once again, my right side of my head, I twist away from my face, so I'm going to twirl and intertwine it going towards my face, twirl it, intertwine it, and then start twisting it backwards. I'm going to show you guys in another clip coming up pretty soon what I mean. I'm going to be doing on the opposite side of my head, so just keep watching and I will show you in a minute. So here we are on the left side of my head. So now on the left side of my head, I twist towards my face. So now I'm going to twirl and intertwine the hair going backwards. Both strands I'm going to twist going backwards. So you see I'm twirling both sides going back because I twist going forward. And now opposite direction, and I twist it towards my face. I really hope that I'm explaining this correctly, because for years I didn't know how to do this. Okay, and yeah, so I'm just going ahead and combing out the hair, making sure that it's detangled. I'm adding beeswax as I go to help blend it with the Marley hair. And while you're twisting, you want to keep twirling the hair while you're twisting. So just the way that you were twirling it to intertwine it, you twirl it to you twirl and then you twist. Twirl and twist, twirl and twist, twirl and twist each time you twist. Now, if you get to the bottom and it's not even, all you do is just borrow some hair and twist it. Then cut it off, and same thing, you roll it in between your hands to help blend it. And voila! I'm out of breath a little bit, girl. I'm trying to keep up with this video, girl. But yeah, this is what this is looking like. So yeah. So here we are, all done being dipped. After you dip your hair in hot water, please let it cool. Like, let it get cold, honey, before you take these perm rods off. Okay, so what I did was I dipped my hair in hot water, and then I just put a towel over it to keep the steam on it for a while. And then when I took the towel off, I left it and let it cool down all the way. Okay, you make sure it is cool before you take these rods out, or it's gonna be a hot mess. So cool all the way, and then go ahead and take them down. Once they cool, they're there to stay, baby. Okay. And they came out so cute, didn't they? Oh my goodness, look at them. Oh my god, I love them. So yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and slick my edges back, and just give me a minute. Let me get cute. I'll be back, okay? Okay, so here we are. My hair is completed. I did my edges because, you know, I had to leave them out because we can't get our edges caught up in the braids, okay? So as you guys can see, I kind of did like the entire like top front section in the knotless twist because for some reason I was able to do that at the top, and probably because I could see what I was doing. For the next time that I actually do these, I want to practice it in my back because the back of my hair, you know, they're knots. It's knotted at the back of my hair. You probably didn't see what I just showed you, but like, let's see, like this one I couldn't get properly, so I did that one in a knot. That one, and most of them in the back are started knots, as I showed you guys some of them. So but yeah, I'm gonna try to practice to do it in the back of my hair. I feel like if I did it on someone else other than myself, I probably would be able to achieve the knotless, but because I'm doing it on myself and I can't really see what's going on in the back of my hair, we just got two different things going on, in two different methods going on in my hair. But other than that, I really do love the way that they came out. If you guys try this, definitely let me know. Like, send me a DM on Instagram. You can follow me at xjaneltaylor. I want to see what you guys do if you guys decide to try it. And I just feel like they came out super pretty. By the way, I just wanted to let you guys know I didn't use the entire thing. They sent me 8 packs of hair in here, and I still have 1, 2, 3, 4 and like a quarter and like 3/4 actually. So I only used 3 packs, 3 and like a quarter because I have 3/4 left. So my math wasn't mathing at the time. Okay, so anyways, I used 3 1/4 packs of hair, and I cut them in half, so it went a long way. So I definitely have maybe 2 more installs. But yeah, they came out super pretty. And once again, thank you so much, Toyotress, for sponsoring this video. Okay, and I will leave the link to the hair down in the description box, so you can get them on Amazon. And thank you guys once again for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.